Welcome to the Section 5 video of the Bracket Assembly Femap tutorial, applying a connection between the arm and base bracket. In this video, the arm will be connected to the base with an NX linear connection. These connections simulate contact between two parts and will do so even when the meshes are dissimilar. Expand the Connections item in the Model Info toolbox. Right-click on Properties and select New. Set the title to Linear Contact. Click the Defaults button at the bottom of the dialog to set the values. Change the max contact search distance to 10. This is the distance that NX Nastran will search for contact from the element normal. On the Entity Display toolbar, toggle off all entities except curves, surfaces, and regions. In the Model Info toolbox, right-click the checkbox next to the arm geometry, and select Show Selected Only. Under the Connections item in the Model Info toolbox, right-click on Regions and select New Connection Region. In the Connection Region dialog, set the title to Arm Base and select Defined by Surfaces. Click Add Multiple, and select the surfaces on the bottom of the arm. Click OK, and then Cancel. In the Model Info toolbox, right-click the checkbox next to the base bracket geometry, and select Show Selected Only. Right-click on Regions and select New Connection Region. In the Connection Region dialog, set the title to Bracket Top and select Defined by Surfaces. Click Add Multiple and select the surfaces on the top of the bracket by holding Shift and dragging the selection box over the desired surfaces. Click OK and then Cancel. This process involves selecting surfaces for regions, and the meshes attached to these surfaces are included in the region. This will not work on portions of a model where a mesh is not attached to geometry, but you can still attach elements and nodes by selecting the option to do so. In the Model Info toolbox, turn on the display of the arm geometry and base bracket. Right-click on the Connectors item in the Model Info window and select New. Set the title to Region 1-2, select the Linear Contact property, set the master to Arm Base, and set Slave to Bracket Top. Click OK and then Cancel. In the Entity Display toolbar, toggle on the view of connectors, elements, constraints, and loads. You can see the connection displayed here as a red line between the connecting regions. Save the file. This concludes the Section 5 video of the Bracket Assembly Femap tutorial, applying a connection between the arm and base bracket.